Okay, everybody, let's get started. Settle down, please. Let's get started. Okay, yeah, I have an announcement here. It says that... What? No, this can't be right. This says that Thrive Life is having a sale during the entire month of August where you can save 42% compared to retail price. 42%. And what? No, I'm not kidding. I wouldn't joke about something like this. 42%, and it's for the entire month of August. No, really. All month long, 42%. This is amazing.
Here we go.
Yeah. Wow.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free, and I am very excited to tell you about the sale that Thrive Life has going on right now that is allowing you to save 42% over buying the retail. 42%. And some items are discounted even greater than that. Now, before I get into the details of how the sale works, let me talk to, just for a minute, to some of you who are new subscribers. We've had several thousand new subscribers since we did our last Thrive Life video, so I want to tell you about it. Thrive Life is premium freeze-dried food delivered right to your door. It has a 25-year shelf life, so it's great for long-term storage and for emergency food preparation. But it's also really great for everyday use. Elizabeth and I have been Thrive Life consultants for going on 8 years, and which means that we have been using Thrive Life in our daily cooking for almost 8 years now. We use it in probably at least 50 to 60% of our daily cooking. Now, Thrive is delicious, nutritious, and convenient. It has no GMOs, it has no preservatives, it has no added chemicals of any kind. It's very clean food, and that's one of the reasons that we love to use it every day. Now, it's not like other survival food companies where you buy a pack, 30-day supply or something like that, and it gives you all these meals that you can cook. The problem with those meals is that you might not like them, or there might be ingredients in there that you can't use for dietary reasons and that sort of thing. Thrive Life simply gives you individual ingredients so that you can make your own favorite meals. What do I mean by that? Here's a can of just chicken slices. This is a family can, family-sized can. This is a pantry can of just pulled pork. And then all kinds of vegetables. This is broccoli. All kinds of fruits. This is strawberries. So what that means is that instead of eating a meal that someone else has prepared for you that you might not like or that you can't eat, you can use Thrive Life food to cook all of your own favorite recipes. It's just like going to the grocery store, a freeze-dried grocery store. You just pick out the ingredients that you want to make your own recipes. And like I said, it's all clean food. There's nothing in it. Notice this is the broccoli. Look at the ingredients. Broccoli. That's it. Nothing else in it. Now, as far as salt, people ask me about salt. None of the fruits and vegetables have any salt in them at all. There are a couple of the meats, like the pulled pork, that have a little bit of salt in them for flavoring. And that's it. Nothing else. No other chemicals. So when we started using Thrive Life, it completely changed the way we cook and the way we eat, and we absolutely love it. Now, if you don't know what it is and you want to see more about it, we have a playlist of videos that we've done called Cooking with Thrive, where we demonstrate at least several dozen recipes where we have used Thrive foods to cook. And I'll put a link up for that right up here and also in the description down below. So if you've never seen Thrive, you can check it out there. Now, as far as the sale, this is what's really exciting. There are two different ways that you can buy Thrive Life. You can either go into our Thrive Life website, link below, where you can just put stuff into your shopping cart and purchase a one-time purchase. And when you do that, you will pay full retail price and you will pay shipping. Now, shipping in the United States is 12%. And shipping in Canada, yes, it's also available in Canada. Shipping in Canada is 16%. Now, when you join the monthly delivery service, which is an automated monthly service, you're going to get 15% across the board off of all pricing. And then, if you place an order of $100 or more, you're going to get free shipping. And in the United States, that means you're going to save 12% on shipping. So, 15% on the price plus 12% on shipping means you're going to save 27% when you join the delivery service compared to buying it through the shopping cart with the retail. And in Canada, that you're going to save 15% plus the 16% shipping, which is 31% savings. That's huge. And that happens every month, every day. Now, this sale that they're having is going to be the entire month of August, starting tomorrow, August 1st. Instead of getting 15% off of the prices on the delivery service, you're going to get 30%. 30%. So if you're going to get 30% off of the pricing plus save 12% in shipping, that's 42% less than what you would pay if you bought it in the shopping cart through the retail, the price that you would pay. And it's even greater in Canada. Now, the delivery service is easy to join once you join. Well, it's free to join. There's no fees. You can cancel at any time. There's no obligation. You can change the items that you get every month. You can change the date that it processes every month. There are also other monthly specials with even greater savings that are only available in the delivery service. Joining the delivery service is easy. If you've never done it before, all you do is just fill out your shopping cart like you're going to place a regular order, and then at checkout, it will give you the option to continue with the shopping cart and just check out, or to join the monthly delivery service, and it'll tell you there how much money you will save when you join the delivery service. Couldn't be easier. And then you just continue to order every month through your delivery page that you'll get once you join the delivery service. Now, I mentioned that it's possible to save even more on a few items that are even greater discounts. This is the August delivery specials, and like I said, these are available every month. The delivery service has specials like this that's only available to delivery customers. And notice that this is like the Granny Smith, 35% off, Parmesan cheese, 30% off. Then you go down here, sausage crumbles and grilled chicken, both 25% off. These are the normal monthly specials that they have every month. But during the month of August, because of the special deal going on, you take these discounted prices and you can take an additional 15% off of every one of these. So that means the Granny Smith, instead of being 35% off, is now 50% off of the price. Plus, of course, free shipping. You can get grilled chicken for 40% off of the retail price. So this is really a fabulous thing. So there are 9 additional products here that are discounted even greater than the 42% that you're going to get on everything else on the website. So I hope you'll take advantage of these great savings during the entire month of August. And I don't usually do videos on Saturday, but they announced this last night to consultants, and I wanted to get this video out for you because I know a lot of people have your deliveries scheduled already for the 1st or 2nd of the month, which is tomorrow, Sunday or Monday. I wanted to get this out for you so that you have time to adjust your delivery before it goes out. Also, if you've never joined the delivery service, this is a great time to do it because of this incredible savings. I have quite a few customers who order every month, but they order through the retail shopping cart and then never join the delivery service. So I really want to encourage you. Delivery service you can cancel, like I said, at any time. You're under no obligation, but look at the incredible savings you can get by joining the delivery service. So I will put a link below for my Thrive Life website, and I'll also put a link below for the August delivery specials so that you can see that as well. Now, this is a while supplies last type of sale, so there will not be any back orders or rain checks if things sell out. And I expect that there's going to be a lot of products moving off the shelf. So if you're interested in this, then I would advise you to do it early in the month while everything is still in stock, because if they sell out of something, it will no longer be available. Also, I wanted to mention that Thrive Life is really a great home-based business. If you're looking for a side hustle, or if you're looking for a full-time income like Elizabeth and I have done, Thrive is a great way to do it. And during the month of August is a great time to do it, especially if you join as a consultant early in the month, because that will give you the entire month to be able to introduce it to your friends using these incredible sale prices. If you're interested in joining as a consultant, just go to my website and click on the link at the top that says Join Us and follow through with the online process. And then once you do that, I will be there to support you, give you all the training that you need to achieve whatever your goal is for your new business. If you have any questions, you can email me or ask below, and I would be happy to answer it. Thanks for watching. This is a great time for you to stock up on your Thrive Life food. You be blessed. Live simple. Live free. Kelly Ash says, I absolutely love the Thrive Life chopped onions. Well, so do we, Kelly. We haven't had to cry over chopping up onions for a long time. Melody S. made a comment here right after the big snowstorm that surprised Texas a few months back. And she says, easy to order. Texans need to learn from last week that food in the pantry is important. I was very thankful I had Thrive Life in my household and fed my family of 11. And Carrie Sherman says, we've been ordering Thrive from you for a few months now, and I absolutely love it. I especially love throwing the Thrive berries in my cereal in the morning. It tastes delicious, and it turns my milk purple like the cereal from my childhood.